Tōgan-ji Temple, located in Nagoya, Japan, is renowned for its stunning green Buddha statue, officially called the Daibutsu of Nagoya. This 15-meter tall statue, located in a serene green patina, represents Buddha seated in a deep meditation. It is a prominent symbol of peace and spiritual enlightenment, drawing visitors from around the world. The temple, built in the 16th century, is a haven of tranquility amid Nagoya's urban bustle. Beyond the Daibutsu, Tōgan-ji features a sacred bodhi tree, a dragon fountain for purification, and a quiet bamboo grove. These elements combine to create a meditative and picturesque environment. The green Buddha is especially captivating during cherry blossom season, when the soft pink flowers contrast beautifully with the statue's verdant hue, offering visitors a harmonious blend of nature and spirituality.